Welcome to the next video from the Creative Geeks. In this video, we are going to create a self-balancing robot. I know some people doesn't know what it kind of means, but I think I've ever seen them somewhere. For example, a two-wheeled car. How does it operate? How is it able to move someone from one place to another? I've seen these robots in industries, in home systems. We have seen them in so many areas where they applied. These are what we are going to use. First of all, we have the MCU called the Arduino, as you can see it, SMD at Mega38PU. Now we have our wheels, as you can see them as per now. We have this sensor, is called gyroscope and acceleration sensor. The purpose of this sensor is to detect the angle of tilt and the acceleration at which that angle is taking place, so that it can counteract the angle and it moves the motors towards that direction of tilt. We also have our battery holders and the batteries, of course, as you can see them right over here. Yes. We also have the motor driver. The motor driver's purpose is to help in the movement of the motors forward and reverse, so that they can counteract with the forces. We have the motors as per now, as you can see them. And also, lastly, you need to use this screwdriver kit. If you don't have it, you can contact our links into the video description. Remember to comment, like, share and subscribe to our channel for interesting content like these ones. Let us get started. These are cards that are going to be used to make the frames. This is the block diagram of how this system operates. This is a bidirectional communication. Unidirectional. This is unidirectional. This is also unidirectional. Remember, the first step is to solder the cables onto the motors. And mine are already soldered there properly, as you can see them. And then start assembling one by one. Mounting the frame. Then we shall assemble the electronic part. So what we need is that we need a motor to look down, and then put on this hot glue onto our motors so that it can handle. So after applying the hot glue onto the frame, as you can see, now let us apply our components inside. It's like we need this gyroscope sensor, this thermostat. We need also this here, the MCU. The motor driver is going to be down here near the motors, and also these batteries are going to be connected within these ends. As you can see, let us now apply hot glue onto it so that it can firmly fix and hold up. So let us apply on this gyroscope sensor right here. Apply hot glue, and then you place it on so that it is at least 90 degrees. Now after that, we are going to make the connections. Make sure you follow the circuit diagram. So let us connect the motors. Left motor, left part. VCC to 5 volts, ground to ground, 5 volts from upper supply. You're going to use this one here. So VCC to 5 volts from the motor driver, and the ground to ground. Then you have serial clock and serial data. So we got the serial clock and serial data of the MCU. So serial clock, we got serial clock done on the MCU. Please remember to follow the circuit diagram when connecting this. Let us also mount on the tires. So after all the connections are done, now the next step is to upload the code. You can find the code down in the description. I have already designed it for you, and very feasible and physical. You can use it to program your own robot. So uploading the code into our Arduino. For me, I'm using the gig, but you can use a USB.